Hello everyone. In this video, going to share about string builder class in Java. String builder is a mutable sequence of characters. String builder class is available under java.lang package as a built-in class that should be used when we have to make a lot of modifications to strings of characters. String builder class was added in Java 5. It has exactly the same API as the string buffer class, except this is not thread safe. That is, string builder class methods are not synchronized. Synchronization is a vast concept that we will see later. For now, simply remember it is the process of allowing only one thread at a particular time to complete a task. As string builder is not synchronized, it is not thread safe in a multi-threaded environment. String builder class provides an API compatible with the string buffer without any guarantee of synchronization. This class was designed as a replacement of string buffer class in places where the synchronization is not required. Whenever possible, where string manipulations are involved, it is recommended to use string builder as it will be faster under most implementations. If your priority is thread safe, then use string buffer class. My pronunciation is not that great. Please forgive me for any mispronunciations. The views shared are only personal opinion, does not intend to hurt anyone's sentiment. Recommend discretion. Purpose of string builder. As we discussed in the previous video, string objects, because of immutability, each method you invoke on a string for manipulation creates a new object and returns it. Hence, if you choose to do a lot of manipulations with the string objects, you will end up with a lot of abandoned string objects in the string pool. Even in these days, with plenty of gigabytes of RAM, it's not a good idea to waste precious memory on discarded string pool objects. This is where the main purpose of string builder comes in. Objects of type string builder can be modified over and over again without leaving behind the great effluence of discarded string objects. For better memory efficiency and improved performance, string builder class is the best choice when manipulating string objects where synchronization is not necessary. Constructors of string builder. String builder class has four different constructors. Provides us four different ways of creating string builder object. Default string builder constructor. Construct a string builder object with no characters in it and an initial capacity of 16 characters. Example. Constructor with integer argument. Construct a string builder with no characters in it and an initial capacity specified by the integer argument. Example. Constructor with a string argument constructs a string builder initialized to the contents of the specified string. The initial capacity is set to 16 plus the length in string. Example. Constructor with a char sequence argument constructs the string builder that contains the same character as the specified argument. The initial capacity is 16 plus the length of the argument. Example. Some important methods of string builder. Append string s with string argument. It is used to append the specified string with existing string. The append method is overloaded and can take many different arguments including boolean, char, double, float, int, long and others. Insert int offset string s returns a string builder object and updates the value of the string builder object that invoked the method call. The string passed into the second argument is inserted into the original string builder starting at the offset location represented by the first argument. The offset is 0 based. Here again, other types of data can be passed in through the second argument. Boolean, char, double, float, etc. The string argument is the one you are most likely to see. Replace int start index, int end index, string s. Returns a string builder object and after replacing the string from specified start index and end index in the existing string builder object. Delete into start index in end index. Returns a string builder object and updates the value of the string builder object that invoked the method call. The update involves removal of a substring from the original object. The starting index of the substring to be removed is defined by the first argument, and the ending index of the substring to be removed is defined by the second argument. ToString returns the value of the string builder object that invoked the method call as a string. Let's look at some examples. In the demo string builder class main method created object for string builder class in 4 different ways. The first way is using default string builder constructor. Initially printed the object without any values. The toString method is not necessary here as Java compiler will implicitly perform the conversion. Anyway, this is to show the usage of toString method. The most important method of string builder class, and using append with the string argument add values to the builder object. Like this, you can append any number of values. The most common way of creating string builder: create an object with the default constructor, use append method to append as many values as you want. On most of the Java application, you will see this kind of code. The second way is using the capacity integer argument. Here, define the capacity as 10, then used append statement to add value and printed the value. The third way is using string argument constructor, and at last using char sequence argument in the constructor. While both the third and fourth way look similar, the difference is char sequence is an interface that had been implemented by numerous classes. String, string builder, and string buffer classes all implements char sequence interface. So, in the fourth way, you can pass any of the object of the classes that implements char sequence interface. Here it can be string or another string builder or string buffer, etc. So far, we had seen append and toString methods for example. Let's look at a few more methods. Insert method's first argument is offset, which denotes the position of the string builder object value. So, the object SB value is hello world, and I want to insert Java in front of the world. Hello is 5 characters, and we have a white space after that. Counting with it, mentioned 6, and then the string argument as Java. The output should be hello Java world. Then I want to replace Java with a string so that we will get hello string world as output. For this, using the replace method with the start index and the end index value that specifies what and where characters need to be replaced. As the indexes are all 0 based, again with counting specified start index as 6, end index as 10 to get the desired result. Finally, want to remove the word string and get the original string hello world using delete method and specifying the start and end index as 6 and 12. Here, the final output will be hello world after the string from 6 to 12, that is string word is deleted. Let's execute and verify the output. The output is printed as expected. In hindsight, string builder class is another option to manipulate strings. The real value of string builder comes because of better memory efficiency and improved performance. In every enterprise application that I had worked, I had used string builder or string buffer at some point. Of course, string builder class is the best choice when manipulating string objects where thread safety is not a concern. Once you know how and when to use string builder efficiently, it raises the quality of your code in various aspects. Make sure to learn about all the methods of the class and practice to a level that you can be sure on using it efficiently. Thank you.